Sa ikalabing-apat na pagdinig ng Quadcom, nairita ang ilang kongresista dahil tila maraming hindi maalala ang mga dati at kasalukuyang opisyal ng Bureau of Customs. Hindi kasi maalala ni dating Customs Commissioner Nicanor Faeldon kung sino ang importer ng 6.4 billion pesos na halaga ng shabu na itinago sa magnetic lifters noong 2017.
Sino po ang importer nitong 6.4 billion na shabu?
Hindi ko na po matandaan, ma'am, kung sino po yung importer niyan. That importation has been a subject of a long court litigation.
As head of the BOC, nalusutan ka ng 6.4 billion na shabu, nakapasok sa bansa, that is equivalent to 604 kilos. Diba? The first question that will pop up in your mind, sino? I find it strange that an incident as big as this, during the time, ay makakalimutan niyo po.
Git ni Faeldon, alam niya na ang nag-import ng shipment ay ang grupo ng negosyanteng si Mark Taguba. Pero gusto niyang maitama siya kung hindi ito totoo.
It is not enough that you apprehended the shabu. You should have arrested the people responsible for the shipment of shabu as well.
Congressman Luis Tro, hindi yata sinagot ni Commissioner Faeldon kung sino yung importer. Please tell us kung sino yung importer.
I will tell you immediately after I get the name, Your Honor. I do not want to be saying person here na hindi pala siya. I want to make sure that siya po yun, sir. I am asking someone to
Then you do not
have it
even know
verified
right
to me.
now? You're not even sure right now? Ba, ay pambihira naman buhay ito. You should be sure right now kung nakahuli kayo ng ganyan.
Nang tanungin naman ng Director for Legal Services ng BOC kung meron pa rin bang TARA system,
Meron pa bang grease money o tara dyan sa Bureau of Customs sa ngayon?
As of now, Your Honor, I have no information about a TARA system ongoing with the Bureau of Customs.
Mr. Chair,
Okay,
alam mo, nakakagalit to. I think you're lying to us. You know, you have been there for quite a time. If the commissioners know about that, why don't you know?
muling naungkat na bilyong-bilyong piso ang nawawala sa pamahalaan noong panahon ni Faeldon.
During my time, Your Honor, there's around 2,500 containers coming to the country every day. If the TARA system applies at that time, it's around 30,000. So annually, the government is losing around 27 billion, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, that's my estimate during my time.
Naungkat din ang tinatawag na Davao Mafia.
In fact, hindi yung commissioner ang nagko-control but the Davao Mafia ang nagko-control ng customs during that time, Your Honor.
Paano po yun nangyayari? If I understand the head of the BOC would be the commissioner po, or at least the deputy commissioners, how could you say that a mafia controls the BOC?
There were calls na tumatawag. According to our reports, may tawag from the Davao to the commissioner, then the commissioner down the line pababa po.
Para mabigyang linaw, pinapaharap sa susunod na pagdinig ang kasalukuyang commissioner ng BOC. Samantala, nagdesisyon ng Quadcom na bawiin na ang contempt order laban kay dating PIDEA Director General Wilkins Villanueva matapos itong maghain ng motion for reconsideration at nangakong makikipagtulungan na ito sa komite. Para sa agenda, Zandro Ochona, Billionaire News Channel.